Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this kind of invisible piping. So let's get started. So first you need an interface like this, then fold it from middle. Now from the folded side I will mark the width of my neckline, that is 3. Now I will mark the depth of my neckline, that is 6. So I will mark 6 inch of marking here. Now from this side also I will mark 3 inches and I will make a line here and I will join these 2 points. Now in this block I will make a simple round neck. From here I will take 1 inch of gap and I will mark points here. Now I will join all these points. Now I'm going to cut this out. I'll cut the inner part also. Now when I will open it, it will look something like this. Now I have this piece of fabric. I'm going to stick my interface here with the help of iron. So shiny side will face the fabric and then give the iron and stick it on the fabric like this. Now cut the extra fabric and leave around half an inch of fabric. Fold it and then give a stitch all over the neckline. So here you can see I have given the fold and I have given the stitch also, and now I'm going to give marking to the sides of the interface. So on the edges of the interface, leaving around 1 or 2 centimeter of gap, I'm going to give a marking here, because on this marking I will place my piping and I will give this stitch. So just for the reference I am giving this marking so that my work will be easy. So once this is done, I will attach my piping here. So this piping part will be at the outside, and then I will place my piping on this line and give the stitch. So here you can see this is the line and I will place my piping on this and I will give this stitch. So here I have changed my foot. Here you can see this is the piping foot, and now I am giving my stitch to the piping so that it will be attached to the neckline. Once this is done, it will look like this. Now fold it from the middle and mark the center line. Here I am giving a small notch. So this is the center line. Now I will mark the center line of the kurti part also. So this is the kurti part. Here also I am giving a small notch and then I am making a center line like so. Now match the lines, match the notches, and then pin this. If you want, you can give a stitch also. And then I will give stitch to the edges of my neckline. So you just have to follow this stitch and you have to give your stitch on this stitch. So now here my stitch is done and I will cut this part. Now I will give small cuts to the sides of the neckline. Now I will take this part to the back side. Now I'm going to give the top stitch to the front part of my neckline. So just give these stitches to the edges of your neckline like so. And here my neckline is ready. And it's looking like this after giving the top stitch, and from the back side it's looking like this. You can give stitch here with the help of needle and thread and fix this part. So here you can see my piping is looking like this and my invisible piping is ready. This is very easy way to complete your neckline and it looks really beautiful. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new. If you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.